Hey guys, I'm in my old bird loft here, and I just want to show you guys my team here for 2012. I got about maybe 20 lay hatches that will be racing to the 300 next year. They've been down 20 miles, and I believe that's the furthest I'll go. I believe a good bird will fly home, even if it's a little short distance like that. And here's a direct son of Brazy Fabry at Red Settle Grizzle. He's always first or second in drop. Really good bird right there. Full sibling is this white grizzle hen right here. They both fly pretty good for me. Always my two first birds home every time I race them. And there's a direct kid off the Liab here right there, that blue bar, splash, white flight, lay hatch. There's one of my outstanding old bird racers right there. Very nice bird right there. Flies pretty good for me. Here's one of my Liab stuff. Really good racer for me. There's another one, silver hen, I believe, off the Liab stuff. Very nice. Lay hatch, actually flown her. She did pretty good, not too bad. And here, right here, direct dot off Sir 13 and Miss Australia. Almost a clone off of her father. A couple of these guys are getting kind of crazy, but most of them are still molting. There's a direct son off Mr. Leah and Miss Leah. The little grizzle right there is actually off little Chico and Brazy's Princess. Really tough flyer. Most of my birds are being conditioned because they've been doing pretty good for me, and a couple of them been to the tough races, and all of them are getting conditioned, and hopefully everybody does better next year for old birds. Well, until next time, this is Liab Family Loft from St. Paul, Minnesota. See you guys.